Do you know what will happen is, my college days I remember, my BTech, my HOD is there. In the second year, I hope 2-1 kind of thing. This is my HOD is there. He never going to give that much importance for the subject marks. If we want more marks, lab marks also in the HOD hand only, in the BTech especially. This was happened in the 1999, almost 27 years before story. What we did is, after completing the college, evening, we will visit his room. At that time, he was staying in the room. Usually, we will visit. So his room, saying, "Sir, I want a few guidelines from you. Okay, so just I prepared the notes. Can you please, just a matter of 1 minute, can you please review? Like next, having talk, spending some time with him, like we are always doing. Then automatically we are in touch with this person. We are giving full respect and full importance for this person. Then obviously our internal marks, lab marks, is a subject marks. Wonderful. నేను తెలుగులో మేమేం అనేవాళ్ళం అంటే, అరే సార్ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళేవా సోప్ వేయటానికి. ఫర్ సోపింగ్ పర్పస్ హ్యావ్ యూ visited, right? Okay, like, but he never give importance for the subject, man. The person who is respecting me more, the person who is giving respect, giving importance for that person only is going to get in the marks. We went in reverse, the same style. In your college days also, have you did this type of activities? No, na? You didn't visit your HOD's rooms. Okay? We visited usually. And we spent some time with them saying, "Sir, so and so, my HOD is a big fan of Balakrishna." Then whenever we went there, Jai Balaya. Jai Balaya. Yes. So after 27 years also, today also, that HOD is in touch with me. Of course, I'm keep on regularly we are talking. Even today also, is a ringtone, phone ringtone. Janma Bhumi, Punya Bhumi Nadesham. Like senior NTR song is there, right? Punya Bhumi
Yes.
Nadesham Namo Namam. Like some movie, I don't know which movie. That movie name I didn't remember. Wonderful, famous song is
Major,
always going to keep. Which
Major
one?
Chandra.
Major Chandrakant. Major
Major Chandra.
Chandrakant movie. Even I remembered his okay ringtone also. Today, if I'm making a phone call, that ringtone only is going to come. Jai Balaya. Remember that, okay? But I'm the fan of Pawan Kalyan, man. At that time, college days, I'm the fan of Chiranjeevi. But I never talk about Chiranjeevi, Pawan Kalyan there. I'm always talking about Sir Samarsimha Reddy, Narasimha Naidu. I saw wonderful. Observe the difference. Guidelines. Can you please provide some guidelines? I require a suggestion because you are the expert in that area. Because your experience matters a lot to me. If you start giving that, the things are going to work like anything now.